Hi, today let's discuss narrators. Narrators are characters within the story that tell the tale. So a first-person narrator looks at the things from that person's perspective and they use I to recount events. So for example, in J.D. Salinger's The Catcher in the Rye, we have Holden Caulfield as the first-person narrator. Because we're looking at it from his perspective, we see his frustration in life, we see his anxiety, we see all the troubles that he has gone through, he is continuing to go through. And so that allows us to understand why this teenager would choose the things he had chosen, those things that are quite controversial. So it allows us to empathize with the character without demonizing him and his choices. So the first-person narrator allows us that. In the novel, in Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird, we're looking at the novel from the perspective of Scout Finch, which is a young girl, someone who hasn't been tainted with the conditioning of society. Because we're looking at it from the perspective of a young, pure, innocent girl who is unable to understand racism, we see that the persecution because of race is unjust and wrong.